This video will show you how to replace a wore-out sway bar bushing in a 1968 to 1982 Chevrolet Corvette. This is the part number that we are using in the video. The frame bracket bushings seem to be in good condition. If not, make sure you replace those bushings also. Make sure your vehicle is secured safely on jack stands. We are using an impact gun with a 9/16 deep well with a 9/16 ring. If there is tension on the bolt, just grab a punch and tap it out. We are removing the bushing on the driver's side. After that, we will go over to the right side and do the same. Have the bolt out on your passenger side, remove the bushings. Next, you will need a 13mm or a 1/2" socket to loosen the frame bracket bushing. We're going to just loosen the bolt. You will not remove the bolt unless you are replacing the bushings. Just want to loosen the bolts enough to allow yourself to move the sway bar up or down. Once you have lifted your sway bar, install your new bushings. You can start tightening down your nut with an impact gun, but you want to finish by torquing down your end length nuts to 15 to 18 foot-pounds. If you are not using a torque wrench, I prefer to make the final tight down by hand until the rubber bushing press squeeze out the outer diameter of the metal retaining washer. Frame bracket bushing bolts can be torqued down to 1/26 inch-pound or 10.5 foot-pounds. That's all it takes to change that old wore-out sway bar bushing on your C3 Corvette. I hope this video was helpful. Do not forget to subscribe. Take care. As always, God bless.